Alright. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. So we're going in the weekend 6 with the level C2 Qur'an. As you know, we have the review of Suratul Falaq again. Alright, listen carefully. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. Very good. So let's continue inshallah with آمن الرسول. We recite one more time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. Very good. You're gonna practice this over and over inshallah. So tanween kasra, as you see it in here. Tanween kasra, we only recite one when we continue. If we stop, the tanween kasra is dropped. Alright? Just like you have here. Tin. Very good. Tin, bin, yes. And also tin, this is ta, ta'nith, ta marbuta. Thin, jin, yes. Hin, khin, din, dhin, rin, as you guys all know this. For example, here we have hasadin. Hasad. If I stop, you see the tanween is gone completely. That's why there is no alif. Like a tanween with fatha. Gha. Like next one is amadin. Amadin. There is amad. Shararin. Sharar. Yes. Lahabin. Asadin. Yes. Shafaqin. Very good. Harajin. Very good. Next one. Tabaqin. Shu'ab. Batal, yes. Waraqatin, when we stop, waraqah. We delete the ta and we delete the tanween. Waraqah. Safaratin, safarah. Very important. Alaqin, alaq. Kadhibin, kadhib. Wadusurin, wadusur. If we stop. Jamalin, jamal. Bararatin, bararah. كبد كبد قمر قمر شجر شجر. So this is the week 6 inshallah. So you practice and inshallah we will continue in the week 7. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.